Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio Kotak Securities. I'm host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज global cues are quite positive. Asian equity markets are rising क्योंकि US bond yields are trading, 10-year is trading at the lowest level since early September. जो कल US का job openings data था, JOLTS, that fell to multi-year low, and that's the reason why we saw a drop in the US yields. But dollar index, interestingly, did not sell off in spite of the drop in the US yields. The reason being कि there are now economic concerns about things happening especially in Eurozone, जिससे कारण euro dollar fell, and that dragged the other currencies too with it. So USDINR, अगर देखें in the Asian currency market, it is trading around 83, 34, 35 के आसपास on the spot reference. Now the trade in this pair is very simple. It opens and goes down 2-3 paisa, 5 paisa, and then it bounces back. So it's basically a range-bound market. Or just and what we are seeing is a massive and a whopping shorts in the out-of-money put and call options, especially in the put options. 83 से 83.25. इसके बीच 3 strikes है, 83, 83.12.5 and 83.25. ये तीनों strikes में, if you consider all the entire open interest of the market across all expiries, it is whopping 27 lakhs. That's a phenomenal amount of put writing which has happened. Now, this generally means that USDINR is not expected to move. That's what the market is saying. And even if it moves, it's going to drift upwards because put में massive OI है. 83.5 call में भी massive OI है. 13 lakh OI. But that pales in comparison to the 27 lakh OI which is there, right, in the puts. So the market has a clear view that low volatility, but drift अगर रहेगा तो upward की तरफ. What happens if in this month the market breaks down below 83? We can get a massive short squeeze of the put writers. But again, that's a conjecture at this point in time, because as of now, there are no signs that it's going to break down. But I'm just saying, because when you are trading in the market, you have to be aware कि कहाँ पे risk है. Because without knowing the risk, you should not be navigating in that market. So risk in this market is not in the 83 half call writers getting squeezed, but the 83 से 83 quarter का जो put writers है, those getting squeezed. In case that happens, even if the chances are slim, in case that happens, you could get a very sharp down move. इसके लिए it's very important to keep that in mind and accordingly adjust your positioning. मतलब, if you're continuously writing straddles or if you're writing put options, then have just as a hedge 83 put long in your portfolio, because it's just a hedge. December end ka 83 put long. In case something happens, you have a position to take care of your existing trades. So the hedge is very important. Now, in cross currencies, Euro INR, GBP INR or JPY INR, especially Euro INR, there has been a continuous selling over the past few days. आज भी continue हो सकता है. आज US ADP numbers है, basically a private sector survey of the job growth in the month of November, or followed by Friday we have the all important NFP jobs data. So the market is going to react after we close because it's going to come out after that. But Euro INR में और selling continue रह सकता है. GBP INR में हल्का सा एक downward drift है, but not as weak as Euro INR. तो GBP INR में continue to outperform Euro INR क्योंकि GBP UK में economic data continues to be much better than what is the case in Eurozone. And in Yen INR, we are seeing a हल्का सा downward move. Now it's too early to say whether Yen INR has formed a top or not, because US yields continue to drop. जब तक US yields continue to drop, we have to be cautious on doing carry trade on Yen INR. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Don't commit too much large shots on Yen INR at this point. Keep an eye on the US 10-year. US 10-year का major support zone जो है वो 3.96 से 4 के बीच है, which we expect to hold unless the US जो jobs data है on Friday is a completely bad data. Otherwise we expect this support around 4% to hold on the 10-year. तो हो सकता है then we could also get our bottom soon on the USD JPY 2. So USD JPY अगर bottom जा रहा है तो yen INR भी very soon will reach a top as well. That's looks like the case, but we'll be updating you through our Telegram channel. And thank you all for being with us and being a part of our family. We are now more than 30,000 family members, and this family is growing. And thank you for showing us your support, your love, and everything, and being part of this amazing journey of currency market and macroeconomy. We'll continue to grow, and our family will continue to grow. So with this, I'm signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.